Now that your new Comporium home security system has arrived, it is time to get it up and running. When you purchased your new system, you should have received a welcome email. If you haven't gone through the steps in that email, you will need to do that first. This email will show you how to set up your user account in order to access and control your new system. Let us show you how easy it can be to self-install your Comporium security system. The panel. First, we'll start with the panel. The panel is considered the brains of the system. To set up your panel, simply plug it into an outlet close to an entryway and press the power button located on the right side of the panel. It is ideal to set up your panel close to an entryway to ensure easy access when arming and disarming your system. Once your panel has power, you'll see a welcome screen. To continue the setup process, hit the green Start button. Next, we'll need to connect your panel to your Wi-Fi connection. Select your wireless network and input your password. Click Next to start the system checks. This may take a few minutes. Lastly, you'll need to prepare your Bluetooth settings. If you are not ready to complete this step, you may skip it and come back to it later. All cellular devices must be present to complete the Bluetooth setup process. Once you have completed all necessary setup requirements, the panel will display the Congratulations page. To return to the home screen, press the green button. The door sensors. Now we'll walk through the sensors. Our door sensors are already prepared for you. All door sensors should be labeled as sensors 1, 2, or 3, so it's easy to differentiate between them. To set up the door sensor, you will be required to pull the battery tab to trigger the sensor into activation mode. Now you're ready to place the door sensor in its location. Before mounting, the magnet has an arrow or line on the side that indicates where to place the sensor for proper alignment with the actual door sensor. Repeat this process for your remaining door sensors. The motion sensors. Let's take a look at the motion sensors. Before placing the motion sensor in the desired area, you will need to activate the motion. Simply remove the back of the sensor and insert the included battery to activate the motion. The screen will display which item is set to tamper in the active list on the right side of the panel. For optimal performance, motion sensors should be installed between 6 to 7 feet high. Done. Now it's time to test your new system. It is highly recommended to test your system once a month. This ensures optimal operating standards. To test your system, please follow the instructions located in your DIY guide. Reminders. All of your Comporium security features can be accessed and controlled through the easy-to-use Alarm.com app. We highly recommend that you change your master code as soon as possible. This can be done through the Alarm.com app. If you need additional help with your home security products or any other Comporium services, remember, we are available to you 24/7 by phone or online.